Dear students, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In the last class, I have discussed what torque on an electric dipole in a uniform external electric field, where we find out what the magnitude of torque. Magnitude of torque, the formula was what? Tau is equal to P E sine theta. In vector form, it was tau vector equal to P vector cross E vector. But I didn't discuss about the special conditions. Okay, today I am going to discuss about the special conditions related to this topic. That means these three conditions I am going to discuss. Now see here, the first condition is what? First of all, you see the formula tau is equal to P sine theta. Till here I discussed. If theta equal to 0, I discussed that theta is the angle between what? Dipole moment. Once again, you see the diagram. It is theta is the angle between P vector. P vector means dipole moment. Its direction is from minus q to plus q, and E vector. Okay. If theta equal to 0, that means if the dipole is like this, parallel to the electric field, then what will happen? See here, tau is equal to Pe sine 0 degree. That means tau is equal to 0. That means torque is 0. That means there is no turning effect. Torque 0 means there is no turning effect. Thus, if electric dipole moment is parallel to electric field, then magnitude of torque is 0. This is the condition of stable equilibrium. Now the thing is that why it is called stable equilibrium. Now see here, you see one diagram here. You will understand better. See here, uniform electric field means, suppose these are the parallel lines, uniform electric field. Suppose plus q charge is here and minus q charge is here, and this is a dipole. Okay, and P vector is along this direction. That means P vector and E vector both are along the same direction. Here theta equal to what? 0 degree. That's why tau equal to 0. Now what will happen? You see, this charge, positive charge, will experience a force F plus q is equal to plus q into E bar, and this charge will experience a force F minus q is equal to minus q into E bar. What is the net force? That means F vector, suppose F vector plus q, F vector minus q. Since this is plus qe and this is minus qe, net force is what? 0. Since net force is 0, torque is also 0. Why torque is 0? Because Rf sin theta. In class 11 you have got F0 means you will get torque 0. And this is the condition of what? Stable equilibrium. Stable equilibrium means, see here, you will understand better. Suppose if this is in stable equilibrium, if you just displace the dipole a little bit by external force, suppose a certain angle theta, then what will happen? This charge, positive charge, will be experience force F plus q, like earlier force F plus q is equal to, this is plus q into E, suppose E vector, and this one will experience force F minus q is equal to minus q into E. Okay, again what will happen? It will rotate in clockwise direction. That means it will come back to its earlier position. Again, the earlier position, initial position, will be retained. Again, suppose if you place this dipole like this by external force, then plus q charge will experience force along this direction, minus q charge will be attracted along this direction. Again, this time there will be a couple, but this time this is anti-clockwise direction. Again, it will retain earlier position. It is just like what? Suppose this is the bottle. Okay, I have applied external force, and if you remove the external force, it will gain its initial position. This is the condition of stable equilibrium. Stable equilibrium means dipole will again come back to its earlier position. Okay, and this is the first condition. That means in first condition, if theta equal to 0, tau equal to 0, and this is the condition of what? Stable equilibrium. Now second condition, if theta equal to 180 degree, then formula sine 180 degree and tau will be 0. But this is the difference. See here, this time also tau equal to 0, and this time also tau equal to 0, but there is a difference. See here, this is called unstable equilibrium. That means, thus if electric dipole moment is antiparallel to electric field, then magnitude of torque is 0, but this is the condition of unstable equilibrium. Unstable equilibrium, suppose this time I want to alter this bottle. See here, the bottle. Suppose you are standing in one leg. Okay, if I disturb this one, it will never come back to its earlier position. This is the unstable equilibrium. Okay, Now see here, I am going to draw a diagram here. Suppose this is a uniform electric field. Okay, and this time see, instead of minus q I have placed here plus q charge, instead of plus q I have placed here minus q charge, and then p vector, this is earlier p vector was along this direction, along the direction of electric field, but this time you see p vector is opposite to electric field, that means theta equal to 180 degree. Now this time also see here, what is the force on plus q charge? Force is plus q charge always move along the direction of what? Electric field. Electric field is along this direction, that means f plus q is equal to plus q into E. But earlier see here, and this time this is the minus q charge, force will be along this direction, f minus q is equal to minus q into E bar. But net force is what? Again net force is what? This time also net force is f plus q, f minus q. If you add, you will get 0. That is why torque is also 0. But why it is unstable equilibrium? Equilibrium but unstable. Now you will understand better way. Suppose this is the dipole. Earlier, see here, earlier there was negative charge, but here it is positive charge, and this is negative charge, earlier it was positive charge. Now the picture is different. This time what will happen, see here, there is a force. Okay, see here, the force is along this direction. Why? This is negative charge. Negative charge used to move or experience force opposite to the direction of electric field. Electric field is along this direction, force is along this direction, that means f minus q is equal to minus q into E vector. Again plus q charge will experience force, f plus q is equal to plus q into E vector, and as a result it will rotate like this in clockwise direction, and it will never come back to its earlier position. See here, plus q charge is here, minus q charge is here. That means it will never come back to its earlier position. This is called unstable equilibrium. Okay. Similarly, if you rotate along this direction, okay, it will happen. That means unstable equilibrium means the object will never retain its original position. Last condition, if theta equal to 90 degree, then tau is equal to p, and this is the maximum value of torque. That means if you place the means dipole, suppose this is the electric field, uniform electric field. If you place the dipole perpendicular, suppose plus q into this is minus q, 90 degree, then this is called what? This is the maximum value. That means p vector is along this direction. P vector and E vector are 90 degree. This is the maximum value of torque. Thus, if electric field is placed perpendicular to the electric field, then it experiences maximum torque. See this, all these special cases. Till then, I am going to leave this class. Okay, bye.